I'm Andrew Evenoff, Senior Service Advisor with Hurlburt Heating and Plumbing. Today I just want to take a little bit of time to talk about a zoning system. What a zoning system does is different from a traditional forced air system. It actually gives you the control to control temperature in different levels of your house or different rooms. So you can put one zone downstairs, one zone upstairs, and one zone in the master bedroom. And so it gives you a lot more temperature and comfort control, because especially in this area, it's very hard to keep the basement at the comfort level you want along with the upstairs. So this is a perfect option for that. Typically we set these up on new houses. Also, they can be done in retrofit applications. And so this is an example of a zone panel that we have at a customer's house. And so this is actually what everything is wired into and controls the different zones. And so these are different thermostats for each zone. Typically these are put in the rooms of the thermostat. This particular customer didn't want the look of thermostats on the wall, so we actually ran indoor sensors in each of the rooms and connected them to the thermostat. And so there's a lot of different options, a lot of different variations depending on what you would want. And so the best thing that we do or we suggest when we install zoning options and you do an equipment replacement also is going with a two-stage or a modulating type system. That way we don't have to install any bypass dampers and we're not wasting energy. That actual zones will control the staging of the equipment, and so we can deliver the right amount of cooling or heating we need in that particular zone if the other zones are shut off. And so it just gives you ultimate temper control and comfort control throughout your home. So if you're interested in learning more and seeing if your current system would be able to adapt to a zoning system, we would love to come out and take a look and get you some options. Again, I'm Andrew Evenoff with Hurlburt Heating and Plumbing.